I know, buzzsaws galore, but what can I say? I'm in a mood today. Drex here from Drex Factor Poi, bringing you the love of poi spinning and flow arts to benefit your body and brain. And today I have a combo tutorial for you that is going to incorporate that trick that I never do, which I say I never do, but I really do, the buzzsaw. Before we dive in, I just want to give a quick shout out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Flow DNA, Flow Fests, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all of these awesome companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I've got down in the description of this video. So this is definitely one of those combos that is meant to be a multi-prop / beginner combo for those of you all out there at the beginning of your spinning journey or that you play around in multiple spheres of props, yeah? That's it. I don't normally teach buzzsaws simply because if you understand what the thing is, you can probably do the thing, but we're gonna go over playing around with it nonetheless here. So you can find links to tutorials on both of those tricks down in the description as well as up in the cards if you happen to be watching this video on YouTube. I'm gonna show you the combo at full speed and then break it down for you step by step before showing it to you one more time in slow motion. So while it may incorporate buzzsaws, it also does something that very few poi combos do and that I really wanted to do in this case, and that's play around with moving downstage and upstage. Frequently, we think about our stage as just being from like side to side and everything, and I wanted to play around in a space where we're also moving back and forth towards our audience / the camera. So here's what that's going to look like. So we're going to start this off with a buzzsaw, and quick tip for whenever you're doing buzzsaws, you want to shorten up your poi in order to perform them. Usually you'll do this by wrapping the poi tether around your first 2 fingers or your entire hand. Either which way, you want to try and make sure that your poi are no longer than about elbow length. That way, as you're performing that buzzsaw, you can be pretty sure that they're not going to hit you, and it'll help you keep your planes a little bit cleaner too. All right, so our combo here starts off by us performing our buzzsaw, and we take 1, 2 steps forward, and then you're going to shuffle 1, 2 with your feet, and that is your cue to go ahead and stall both of your poi as well. The walk that I'm doing here is actually a really specific one that I know I'm going to get this wrong, but I think it's called no theater. It's a type of theater that is really prevalent in Japan. And the idea is that you walk around imagining that somebody is kind of like holding back your hips and everything. So you do this thing where your head and your feet kind of lead in everything. So that's the kind of walk that I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to lead with head and feet, and it also lowers my levels so that there's a contrast when I come up after that stall. So I'm going to do this twice. I'm going to do my little walk, boom, come up. I'm going to do the walk again, 1, 2, and come up. And the second time I do this, I'm almost instantly going to break into stalling the 2 poi out to the sides, and my feet are going to go out to the sides as well. From here, I'm going to go ahead and sweep the 2 poi past my hips in those pendulums and together opposites. Going 1, 2. That is turning to my left once, turning to my left a second time, yeah? So one other quick note here as you're doing that swing side to side is that you want to kind of imagine that you're almost like slapping your hands in poi past your hips as you go here, yeah? So after we've done our pendulums, going to the left once, going to the left again, I'm going to do a quick little fake out where I have my left hand poi go back past my right hip and my left hand poi go forwards past my left hip. Boom. And I'm going to kind of have this moment where I'm sticking my foot out almost like I'm about to lose my balance. It's just a cool shape. There's no real motivation behind that artistically or anything like that. But what it does do is it gives me enough momentum as I'm coming down to go ahead and swing my poi around to the sides as though I'm going to do some flowers. But instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to step with my left foot behind my right foot and bring my poi to a rest with my left hand in front and my right hand behind. So that latter sequence winds up being, with my poi out to the side, I'm going to swing once, swing twice, go back, take the step, and stall all together, yeah? So that entire combo from the start, we do the buzzsaw and take a little step once, and then twice, we stall and do a little shuffle. We take that step once, and twice, we do our little shuffle. We stall the poi out, we swing them past our hips once, twice, tilt back, come around a step, and we stall them around our shoulders. Yeah? Check that out again in slow motion. Amazing. I want to see your version of this combo. Pretty please post a video of yourself doing it to Instagram and use the hashtag DrexFactorPoi so I can check out your hard work. You can also share it to your stories and make sure to tag me. I am at DrexFactor on Instagram. I'll go ahead and make a copy of your video and share it so that all of my followers can see your hard work. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help other people find this video and, of course, to help my channel grow. And a huge thank you because this video would not be possible without the kind contributions of these amazing folks right here. These are my Flow patrons over on Patreon, and they, along with the wonderful folks listed down in the description, help to make this video and all the videos on this channel possible. If you would like to sign up to support the work that I do, bringing the love of poi spinning and flow arts to the whole wide world and helping people connect with their brains and their bodies, you can do so by heading over to patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi and signing up. You can get early access to all of my content, as well as a say in what topics I tackle in the future, plus some awesome extras and behind-the-scenes content too. So check that out. Please and thank you. All right then, so next week I will be coming at you with a combo tutorial featuring one of the combos from that flow video that I did back in December that thus far I have done no combo tutorials for. Sorry, January just kind of worked out that way, but I will give you one combo from it, yeah? Awesome. Thank you all so much for watching. Have yourselves a great weekend and make sure you get out and do some flowing this weekend. I will see you on Monday. Peace.